In this video, I will show you how to fix Netflix app not working on Philips Smart TV. So to be able to fix that issue, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and try signing out of your Netflix application. So go to the Netflix home screen and then press the back button on your remote and then go to menu. Now, if the menu is at the top, go to the left to your profile icon and select Get Help and then Sign Out and then select Yes. Now, if the menu is on the left, you can go ahead and head over into the Get Help section and then click on Sign Out and click on Yes. Now, after you do that, go ahead and sign back in and then try Netflix again. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to restart your device. Unplug your device from power, press the power button on the device once, and wait 1 minute or leave it unplugged for 3 minutes instead. Plug your device back in and turn your device on and try Netflix again. And the last option that you have, if that doesn't work as well, is to contact the device manufacturer. So to fix this issue, you'll need to contact the company that made your device. When you talk to them, ask for their help with these steps. After each step, try Netflix again to see if the problem is fixed. So first, update your device firmware or software to the latest version, and then restore your device to its original settings like when you first got it. If they can't fix the problem or the steps don't work, you'll need to use a different device to watch Netflix. Now that's basically how you can fix the problem. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.